Welcome to another adventure of Lydibug and Hayleebee. We are reviewing a Generation Doll retro diner today. So this is how the diner comes out of the box. So here's the little jukebox. We're gonna take these up.
What is that?
This is a window right here. This is a menu board. There's a phone right here. This is a little counter. It can open up and close. Now there's a button somewhere. Look, neon lights. We'll turn that on. Let's close that window for a second. Let's turn this music on.
What's that?
It's a little heart button. Oh, this is a jukebox too.
Just push the button.
Yeah.
Push the button on. Push the lights on. Come on.
Yay! Let's turn the neon lights on. So this is all the food that comes out of the box. We got some drinks here. Pretty drinks. I think what this is like ice cream sundae. Got some cupcakes. Got some cookies, little salt and pepper, donuts, fries, probably a dip. Oh, tomato soup. Banana split, hamburger, brownie, grilled cheese, hot dog, pitcher, pancakes, some bowls, some nice silverware and some plates. And the fish and the spaghetti and the eggs with bacon and hot dogs and the sub and with pickle and the pancake of blueberries and the coffee and we got some pie and the cake and we got some little stools here to sit right here. We got some little napkins. We got some vinegar for salad. And we got some money and the order stuff so you can take your orders with. Some coffee here. Sugar. Some cups. Some coins. Ketchup and mustard. And a little phone right there. And this little chalk that for the menu that you can have. Write it down on the list. Drop on it. Me? Okay. So, for an example, we could write coffee, $2 or $3. It's not really working right now. I don't know why. drawing.
I think you have to press hard.
Wow.
We'll work on that. There we go.
Coffee. About $1 or $2. And let's turn this around to see the back. Let's turn it around. Turn it around. Whoa. Down goes the phone.
Is the back.
This is the back of the diner. OG's diner. Looks really wicked. Little designs on it. It's cool. And I also wanted to mention that there's a little twister on the bottom that I can twist the little desserts right here. Well, let's start playing. My name is Isabel. What would you like to eat today? I will make some fish with some legs. Okay. Thank you. What to drink? We got some soda. Soda, please. Okay. Grape or Coke? Coke, please. Okay. That'll be right out with you. Your food is here right now. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's get the Coke. Here's your Coke. Thank you. Hey, did you know that it's been like a few days since I've been to this diner? No, huh? Yeah, like seriously. I've waited for about only a couple seconds for this thing to open. Yeah, like, it's really awesome being here. Don't you think? I know. Yeah, I love being here. Greatest place on earth. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Okay, sir, just wait a few moments and we will get your check ready. Okay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another adventure of Lydibug and Hayleebee. Bye!